A woman has approximately 4.5 liters of blood in her body, while men have 5.6 liters. About 14 million adolescent girls become pregnant each year, with over 90% of those girls living in developing countries. Women's brains have been shown to have greater recall and memory than men's. Women who snore during pregnancy are likely to have small-sized babies. The modern concept of women shaving their armpit only began in 1915. Over 80% of women wear wrong-sized bra, as poorly fitted bra can cause shoulder, back and neck tension. Studies show that divorced women have more trouble starting new relationships than divorced men. Women on average live 7 years longer than men do. 80% of women wrinkles are caused by excessive sun exposure. Attractiveness of woman's child is heavily dependent on what woman eats during pregnancy. Every 13 minutes a woman dies in US due to breast cancer. Ancient Egyptian women used to wear perfume combs made of wax that would melt in the heat, letting out a nice fragrance. Women who work in the home have a 54% higher death rate from cancer than women who work outside of the home. A pregnant woman's dental health can affect her unborn child. Species of bacteria are present in your surroundings. Try checking the hands of women that carry more bacteria than you can find in men's. 70% of men shower daily, while women are lagging behind at 57%. Women have largest breasts proportionally speaking of all mammals. Women are insecure about their weight and breast sizes. Women cry on average 30 to 64 times a year and men 6 to 17 times. Women in total spend 4 years of their life menstruating. Women have more test buds than men. 40% of births in US come from unmarried women. Women's brains have been shown to have greater recall and memory than men's. An average woman eats about 2 to 3 kilos of lipstick in her lifetime. Heart diseases is the number one killer of women. Women own only 1% of the world's land. There are just over 9 million women-owned companies in the United States. Women are twice as likely to initiate a suicide attempt, but men are 4 times more likely to succeed. Women live longer than men partly because their immune system ages more slowly. Women are better multitaskers than men. A book titled Everything Men Knows About Women has over 100 blank pages. Women speak about 20,000 words a day. That's 13,000 more than the average man. The average amount of time a woman can keep a secret is 47 hours and 15 minutes. Women spend nearly 1 year of their life deciding what to wear. Women think about their appearance 9 times a day, a UK survey found. Worldwide, women earn $18 trillion but spend $28 trillion. On average, it is estimated that females injure themselves 10 times more than males do while playing sports. Women who are romance novel readers are reported to make love 74% more often with their partners than women who do not read romance novels.